Yo, I tell them precisely. What's the great way of the gateway while the sunshine will make? There is an important announcement what I want to make like right about now. I was gonna know the TDP show is on Sundays at 5 p.m. on YouTube. However, I apologize for this evening 5 p.m. show. I will not be on live. So starting coming Sunday, I'll be doing this show live on Facebook on the Tell Them Precisely page because more on the interaction with a wider audience. I know Facebook is that platform where we gather a lot of persons and we can socialize more. However, 5 p.m. on Sundays on YouTube, we will premiere the show. So all you guys will still see that delayed broadcast live. So I apologize because this is like right now someone know me there in Jamaica at the moment, and it's complicated at times for reach out to Uno on the specific time. Not only that, I decide someone get a little shift, involve more people by do it early in the morning and then do the premiering, the rebroadcast premiering on the same 5 p.m. on youtube.com/Great Amaziyah. So once again, for who just joining in on this live, the TDP show with Amaziyah the Great, which usually occurs on Noreen Snyder, Wagwan, big up yourself. I just to make persons know that the TDP show for tonight, 5 p.m. This will be premiering at 5 p.m. for those who want to see the show. I will still be doing 1 or 2 pieces of poetry, so persons can really sit back, chill, and have a vibe, and still share the show. So I'll be doing probably about 10 minutes of poetry or 15 minutes. For those who who wasn't aware of what, it's a sudden change, and I will not be in tonight, so I should be going on the road in the next half an hour or so I will not be back on time. So starting next Sunday, I will be premiering the show on YouTube at 5 p.m. but first I will start do the actual live show in the morning, say about 10 a.m. Jamaica time. Yeah man, so I'm sorry for any inconvenience cause I want to big up the whole poetry circle friends, my whole entertainment industry friends. Amaziyah the Great continue to be going hard and hard like the Energizer Bunny, working hard out for once, so we not do nothing funny. Going like the Energizer Bunny when we work, give me my pain and make me knock you out for my money. Big up all the TDP show fans all across the globe, all friends of Amaziyah the Great Music, Films and Arts, all fans of the TDP show, all fans of everything I do as it relates to where my career are concerned, and persons who believe in me, motivating me. Jordan Murray, enough respect. I've got the utmost respect for you. Blessings and respect every time, straight across the board. No matter what go on, you always say, keep going, Amaziyah, keep going for what you believe in, and you're the reason why we keep doing this. And I have to say, enough respect. Michelle from New York, enough respect, big up yourself. Just the same, you always believe in what we are doing. Always been supporting Noreen Snyder, you the same, always been a true supporter of Amaziyah the Great. Everybody else, Antonia Valier, big up everybody who support the mission, man. Darwin St. Arbin, the whole 9 years, big up my picking them. Big up you, the viewers who make the thing possible. Thanks for watching my recent short movies, Searching for Keisha, which was recently done, and Easter Bun. So enough respect and blessings and big up to the whole masses right across the globe. The Facebook fans, even MySpace fans, because that's how it all started. Enough people know me from the MySpace days. Charlie Bobos, enough respect, big up yourself. You has always been a true inspiration, and I love the mission where you're depend. Get to me and say wise words, just the same. Scripture, everybody, a whole heap of people out there with the journey, and especially Cherry Natural. Look out for Cherry Natural new spoken word moments. Right now, me I do some editing on that video for come out a road. It's a lyric video, someone to look out for Cherry Natural moments. Check out Cherry Natural on YouTube, people. She's a very good poet, a real bad poet. You get to me and say, check out the rest of Warriors, them just to see him. David St. Arbin, Wise Words. You get to me and say, Shantai Wint, big up yourself. Can't do the big up something and not big you up straight. You get to me and say, everybody who will support the mission. You get to me and say, Rasta Tiba in New York, big up yourself, enough respect just the same. You get to me and say, so once again, me say, the TDP show will be earlier on Sundays, and I never had the time to create that flyer design to make people aware of what I go on. So if you're watching now you know. If you're watching later, now you know. What we need you guys to do is to keep share this video and make people see and hear what I go on. Amaziyah, the great TDP show coming Sunday. Let me see Sunday where I come, which date again, so I can be specific. Sunday will be the 13th, and I'm going to just put out flyers so you can see, you can share, you can know, and others can hear. So I really respect if you share this video right across and make people see and know what I go on. Big up all of the people that me are in Florida which brought me there. Start from Jacksonville, Orlando, Miami, the whole 9 yards, all about in Florida. Malachi Smith, big up yourself. Judith Fallon Reed, enough respect to other people. The Jamaica School Poetry Tour should have gone, but you know, from last year, this whole pandemic thing and where if you're going all out. Because this was a mission where, you know, we had plans for. You get to me, I say, Rastakura, big up yourself, because I see I do a virtual thing there. We are going with good things, you know, it's all about entertaining and educating the youths them. At the same mission, big up to you and your achievements. You get to me and say, yes, it's a far right, the whole 9 yards. Anyway, let me dive in a few local poems before me end the live here. Seeing? Probably some music just the same. Like a toddler, crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, I'm such a big disgrace. I quickly interjected, honey, what's wrong? And she yelled, get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. She lies who will take love for a game. I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor. Yeah, put a bullet in his brain. Baby, y'all take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me. You can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9. It really shattered my mind. A decade after I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So I had sex with his best friend and what's up in the flipping picture. All my life for being hurt, later start attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. Few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men, her heart is no cold. I offered a hug. She squeezed me tightly, saying, thank you, Mr. Kirkland, for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV, the bitterness? If there were times in life you do something stupid, nobody thinks that you're the worst. And there were times in life, but nobody make the mistake and thinks that you are the first. Tom, when you did make some money, I'm going to tell you, say, merch from then. Sufferation starts. See, it, you not work again. Your girl, if you want gone, oh my gosh, she splurt, my friend. I watch, you know, yeah, let me sister, it really hurt, my friend. You have some careless girl out the road, still I'm gonna call it jerk again. It's up to you, king, if you really want to go in the church, my friend. But see the guns down low with them out. Me know I hear so them you burst again. Learn from my mistake, cause you still not the worst, my friend. If there were times in life you do something stupid, nobody feel like say you are the worst. And there were times in life when I make some mistakes, nobody feel like say you are the first. This girl drop out of school and for real, me vexed with that. Me dead by her side and me gear some progressive chat. Girl, time I get serious, get involved in some successful acts. Few months time she breed to rat it, too much sex to that. She don't know the pick the father end up on a few guests with that. Her mother kick her out of the house and say look somewhere else for catch. She tell me she want dash you the belly. Me say no, you John are blessed for that. You have life, have hopes, success, girl. Stretch to that. If there were times in life you do something stupid, nobody feel like say you are the worst. The one named Pam. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully plus a so selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, bitch, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who met you and I'm gonna break you, so go on if you wanna try. The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, somebody called police. She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Then suddenly start recording and viral shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no protection. Few months later, she was pregnant. No baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out it wasn't so and later commit suicide. Pam never had good education. She stole back juice to make ends meet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling woohoo on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, oh God, I can't take no more. A year after, she bought a car. Some people call her whore. She later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Tell them precisely. Big up all of the women them who are independent and striving for excellence. And we say no to the abusers and the users. Stop ill-treat our women and treat them with respect and treat them like they're queens and empresses of the earth. Enough respect to all single mothers out there and all the females them who try hard to make ends meet. Tell them precisely as men we should respect our women. Great way is the gateway while the sunshine we make hay. Tell them precisely. Big up all of the strong women them across the globe. The one who I'm going to drop now name respect, I'm going to do it real quick. We have to respect the veterans them and all the pioneers there and the ones them before us, our ancestors them who paved the way for we. So I say, it's Amaziyah the Great and it's the TDP show update. Sundays we are going to start at 10 a.m. Jamaica time. 10 in the morning and then at 5 Sunday evening we will have the rebroadcast premiere on YouTube. And I want more people get involved and interact, so please share this live. Share. Make people see it and allow people to be a part of this thing, because more greatness is yet to unleash, and you know this is just the beginning. We have set the thing on a different level, internationally speaking. Tell them precisely. Big up all of the poets them all across the globe, yard and abroad. Big up all the fans them from Jamaica, Spanish Town especially, the whole of yard. Big up, enough respect. Big up all of the people them in a foreign inside the United States of America, Canada, Styles P, Phil, big up yourself. All of the people them in the UK, everybody in the Caribbean, Africa, England, all about where the fans them there. Respect. You're saying Bolt got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, well, heap of negative remarks yell out. Wouldn't expect sure respect because history was created. America bowed down to a legend. Honor, greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep a negative remarks to yourself as long as never get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race. But mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakingly, creepingly want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend wants to even have sex with me, vex with me, says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention focused on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rates. Your morals slowly deteriorate and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? Social media is like cancer, feeding on your souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself, remember you're not alone. So Wagwan, can I get some love now? Oh, sorry. I guess you love your phone. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We're still gonna waste time and don't know what time really is. If only you understood how powerful your mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite. So why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can religion and politicians make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Noreen Snyder, like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. All of the fans them across the globe, like Bob Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I got tired for see me face. Big up my sister right now, kiss to me, Tenisa. Big up herself, Brandon. Enough love and enough respect. You get to me and say Shandu and body big up on yourself. You get to me and say, yes, yes, yes. Great way to get me while the sunshine we make. Hey. Big up all of the supporters of Amaziyah, the great music, films, and art. Support the merch. Check out the merch store, Amaziyah, the great collections on Instagram, on the internet, on Teespring. Support the merch. You get to me and say, join this community on YouTube where I have and support the brand, support the movement, support the mission. Purchase any one of the merchandise and support the journey because the journey continues. You get me and say, great way the gateway while the sunshine we make air. So me I say, no to war and violence, no end the crime and the violence all over the road. All over the world, people are going with them bag of things and I say, you would put on the guns down, show it. The crime and the violence, we must get it out. Guns popping, don't stopping, every day busting out. War start now, can't part now when brains splashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears dashing out. 13 years ago, Tom accidentally kill a friend. Him go foreign and come back and him their yard to chill again. Thought it was over and pick up 6 of them over a decade now when shots start to drill again. It's cold and bitter, innocent blood spill again. Them a call 119 and can't get rid of them. Mill of them have killer friends and none of them not grin again. It's kill or be killed. Now gunshots start sing again. The crime and the violence, we must get it out. Guns popping and stopping every day busting out. War start now, can't part now when brains splashing out. People screaming, them weeping of tears dashing out. This me a day, that are the last thing said. Next thing we know, the whole place I run red. Shots more than 100. People lay ground dead. This is the movie or reality, quite cooler than dread. Pure high powered rifle and look at 38 shot. My daughter hear that and tears drop. So me grab her and lay flat. Nicole out of Johnny, so me tell her baby stay flat. Really and truly, me no want to get in a straight shot. We hear sirens and police drive in with JDF. Them have some long guns carrying them serious. In them face not smiling. AKs and M16s and I'm a face pointing. Hey boy, come here. And so them a class me. I'm a law-abiding citizen. My name is Glock 40, so treat me with respect. Comprehend the compadre. Best if investigate upon the problem we start this. Crime and the violence, we must get it out. Noreen Snyder, enough respect, big up yourself. Check out Amaziyah, the great music and arts and films. Them they all over YouTube. Them they all over the internet. Just Google and you'll find. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Precisely Great. It's a great way, the gateway while the sunshine we make. The TDP show. Once again, it will be on Sundays starting the 13th at 10 a.m. in the morning live, and then it will premiere on YouTube at the same regular 5 Jamaica time. So please don't get the time twisted. You know, the United States Special Department is like 1 hour away from your time. So please remember that. And tune in to the TDP show. It's something interesting that you should know. You get to me and say, Noreen Snyder always been one of the, I mean, I never get to tell nobody, say, I'm going to do this live now, but you're still here, and you've been there ever since. Noreen, I was trying to call you earlier to make you know that, excuse me, your show is on Saturdays, but which department where I'm at, I'm hardly where the Wi-Fi is at them times, so I'm unavailable to watch your show. I'm really sorry about that because it's set away how you'll be always watching my show and I'm not there on your live. So please don't feel no way offended. It's just that I'm in no Wi-Fi zone them times. You get me? So I do apologize for that. And enough love, enough respect. I will still continue to share your show same way on my page and let other people see where you're going with. You get me? I say so. Enough love, enough respect. People who have not seen Easter Bunny yet, please go watch it. It's on YouTube. Who have not seen Searching for Keisha, it's the part 2 of Easter Bunny. Go watch that. I'm yet to complete part 3, but like I said, that will be in a month or 2. when I'm back in Jamaica to continue with from where we left off. So big up all the entire cast, the team, my sister Quality, Uncle Barry, everybody who there in the movie there. You get to me, I say enough respect, big respect. Big up the people who continue to share. Just big up everybody, enough love, oneness, Mr. Straight. You get to me, I say, me picking them nice and a journey, enough love. You get me? So until then, we will link again, my friends. Who are disappointed of not seeing the show tonight, I humbly apologize for that. But just continue to share this and let the people them aware what's going on. And then them can look out the 13th. So all the persons them who I had lined up, who me tell us this Sunday, unfortunately. And then again, I have to understand, tonight is the night when Money Mayweather and what's his name again? And the brother that go fight. Big fight go on the 6th of June right here tonight. Logan Paul, so his name something like so. Tonight is the big fight where only for people will be watching. Okay, understand, you don't have to okay, Noreen, enough respect, big respect. But that's just me though, Noreen. I still have to, let you know what going on, because if I don't tell you, you will not know. And then not only you, other persons might be saying, how comes you always on a show and then I'm not seeing you on a show? So that's one other something there. So tonight are the night where Money Mayweather versus Logan Paul. You get to me, I say, on pay-per-view, people can go watch that. Me still say Money Mayweather. Yeah, whether or not, cause a lot of people have this brother as favorite, and a lot of persons now having them eyes on this boxing match, and it's something to watch, really and truly. I don't know if I'll be back home in time or I'll be on the road still. Me and my nephew and my sister will be sorting some stuff out to get myself on about. But also go and make some links, make some connections. I've not gotten the chance to link up with no radio stations yet. So if persons out there will watch this and know about any radio stations in Florida here, in Orlando, you get to me and say anywhere near Kissimmee there, so just link Amaziyah the Great and say this is the station, make a link, because I've got music, I've got poetry, I'm really the one them people are here. And if you don't know any spoken word open mic events, I may have to use open mic, because I'm not here in the United States to do any form of work whatsoever. For them go to Obama and say, yo, y'all get money for work at these events, and right now, I voluntarily will perform at any one of these events inside Kissimmee, Orlando, just you name it. Just make the link, make the connections. I'm there on Facebook. You can send me a message and say, okay, these people do poetry, whatever. Max One had sent me a listing of events in Orlando. I'm yet to check that out. Thanks for that also, Miss Max One, big respect. But anyone else who personally know about radio stations, or any one of these people who do interviews or whatever, I'm open for all of that. And I'm only here for a short while, so if you know anything about that, I go and just link up Amaziyah the Great. I can be easily found. You get me and say, so do that and make the link, and tune in next Sunday for the TDP show with Amaziyah the Great, 5 p.m. Jamaica time. But like I said, I'm going to start doing it on the TDP show page on Facebook Live. So you can go ahead and like that page, follow and support. And you don't know, promote. You get me? I say so. Big respect to everybody. And I think Kevin Jackson, a filmmaker, animator, he should be on for the 13th. So Kevin Jackson, the date is set. Big respect, blessings, and big up all of the fans them right across the board. I done this now. Enough respect. Them never stop me, then that mean them can't stop me now. No matter where them a try no way. Me not go about. No matter where them a do, them just can't. The call cut the live. But anyway, I'm gonna end this now, guys. So big respect, thanks for watching. Go and share this, make the world see, watch and hear this. Tell them precisely. Great way, the gateway while the sunshine will make. Hey, It's obvious we not get proper policing because crime wouldn't get out of hand and shot a beat so hard. The system set up completely bizarre. This politics quickly need for resolve. The youth them out the road and move really retard. Them have some rotted guns to rip your pieces apart. Police want to fight crime and need for call crime. Stop it now, stop, cause them system of fraud. I can't take it no longer. Juggling, struggling, my mind kind of puzzling. Not going and the depression keep bubbling. Hustling and bustling, it seems like that's nothing. Me nah make no money, should I really try smuggling? Rotted, me feel haunted and I made them come fast with. Should I be like Christopher Coke and become the most wanted? My thinking seems thinking, them wondering if me drinking. No, some are sober, perhaps I'm just a system. I can't take it no longer, tell them precisely.